This video will cover the meaningful use criteria for electronic prescribing using the Harmony EMR system. This is the CCMS patient list, where you can find all of your current patients. The first thing we're going to do is select the pill bottle icon for the patient. As you can see by looking at the top of the screen, we have been brought to the prescription writer, where we will create an electronic prescription. The first item I'd like to discuss is the selected clinic at the top of the form. As you can see, it has selected my name as the default. This is because the first time you sign in, a default clinic is created under your name. So that's why it's showing Andrew Patrick as my clinic. You can add additional clinics within your user profile, but for now, we'll use the default. Now let's write a prescription. The service level field with the 24-hour checkbox is used to set a parameter on the pharmacy search. If you select 24 hours, the pharmacy drop-down list will only display pharmacies that are open 24 hours a day. If you'd like, you may select a pharmacy from our drop-down list, or you can enter the information manually. As you can see, when I click the drop-down list without 24 hours selected, there are 7,984 pharmacies available, and I know this by the count at the bottom of the list. You can also display more pharmacies at a time within your list by clicking the down arrow at the bottom of the list. Now that I have selected the 24-hour service level, you'll notice that there are significantly less pharmacies to choose from. When I select a pharmacy from the list, the address is populated and displayed within our viewing window. There is a checkbox that allows you to search by the National Drug Code. We have another drop-down list that is used to select the product class, and as you'll notice, when I click a product class, the medication list automatically descends, displaying the drugs that correspond to the selected class. When you have selected a medication, the strength, route, and form fields are automatically populated. The next step is to select the quantity you wish to order. You can do this by entering the quantity into the field, or by using the arrow keys to step increase or decrease. Next to quantity, we have a list with units of measurement. This list will be automatically updated, but if you need to use a different unit, simply select one from the list. Then enter the number of days supply and the number of refills. To indicate dispense as written, click the DAW checkbox. Then enter the diagnosis. You may have up to 2 per prescription. You may enter any directions for your patient in the SIG field. You may also switch to the Note to Pharmacist tab to send an additional note specifically for the pharmacist. All that's left to do is to click Save and confirm your order. At this point, the prescription has not been sent. This screen gives you a chance to verify your order. The order will not be sent until you click Send to Pharmacy. And now you can see that the prescription has been sent successfully. That concludes the CCMS training video for creating an electronic prescription for an existing patient. We hope you have found this video both helpful and informative.